Thanks for viewing this property. Please contact me by email at chip@chiplanders.com or call my cell phone at 772-473-7888 for further information. EU construction with early 2024 completion. This is a great opportunity for someone looking for a brand new home with low maintenance and insurance costs. The concrete block construction, metal roof, and impact glass hurricane protection will provide added security with longevity. The wood-look floor tile and large kitchen with stainless appliances and granite tops will make for a stylish and functional living space. The open plan with vaulted ceilings will create a spacious and welcoming feel. Located in the South Vero community, west/county water and septic and no deed restrictions. Pick your colors.